Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's Einstein activity says, when all of the 8 digits are replaced by a 9, what number increases most in value? So what they're saying is literally look for the number 8 in each of these 5 numbers and replace it with a 9. And then tell which of the 5 numbers has the largest increase in value. So this 24,680 would become 24,690. The 63,918 would become 63,919. The 99,899 would become 99,999. The 48,888 would become 49,999. And the 81,232 would become 91,234. Now what I'm going to do is write down the difference between these two numbers so I can visually see really quickly how much each number pair changed in relationship to the other pair. So this is the same as like finding the difference of the two numbers. So this is the same as like finding the difference of the two numbers, but the bottom number is bigger now. So you can just think of it as the bottom number being on top. And in this case, the difference would be 10. In this case, the difference would be 1. In this case, the difference would be 100. In this case, the difference would be 1,111. And in this case, the difference would be 10,000. So now I'm just looking for the difference, or the blue number now, that is the largest. And that would be this number down here, which lets us know that our 81,234 has the largest increase when we change the 8 value to a 9. Here's tomorrow's Einstein activity. See if you can solve it before I do. Then head over to supereasymath.com and click on math videos. Once you're there, you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.